Hello students, welcome to our online class. Today's topic is why is religion important to human beings? And this topic is for Social Studies grade 6. So, are you ready? Okay, let's get started. Alright, so let's start with the story of the founder of each religion. So first, the life of Buddha. So Buddha is the founder of Buddhism religion, right? Yes. The Buddha's decision on Nirvana. After 45 years of teaching the Dhamma, the Buddha fell very ill. When the Buddha's Lent day ended, he went to Pavala Chedi on Vesali on the 15th day of the third waxing moon. Okay. And announced that he would reach his nirvana in the next 3 months. So we have here a story of the last disciple. After the Buddha decided that he would reach his nirvana, he went to the Sala Grove in Kusinara and lied down in the area between 2 Sala trees. A hermit named Subhada asked the Buddha a question. After listening to the answer, he believed in the Buddha. So as a result, he entered the monkhood and finally became an arhat. So Subhada was the last disciple to become an arhat before Buddha reached his nirvana. Okay, so before Buddha reached his nirvana, Subhada was the last disciple who became an arhat. Okay, next. Reaching his nirvana. When he was about to reach his nirvana, he gave his last teachings to the monks. Okay, his teaching says, "Dear all monks, now I have to remind you that it is normal for bodies to get weaker. You should do things carefully for your own and other people's benefit." Then he reached his nirvana on the 15th day of the 6th waxing moon in the year before the Buddhist era. He was 80 years old. So he died when he was 80 years old. Alright. The cremation. Okay. The body of Buddha was kept for 7 days after he reached his nirvana. When Maha Kassapa arrived there, he paid respect at the feet of the Buddha, and then he cremated the Buddha's body on the 8th day of the 6th waning moon. The Buddhists called that day Atami Puja Day. Okay, alright. So Atami Puja Day is how Buddhists call that day when Buddha was cremated. Okay. The Buddha's relic. After the cremation of Buddha's body, his relics were given out to be placed in many cities by the Brahmin named Dona. His relics were given out to be placed in many cities. Alright. Okay. Now, there are 4 religious places for Buddhists. What are those? Number 1, place of birth. Okay, the place of birth of Buddha. So the actual location is in Lumbini Park. The current location is in Ruminde in Peshawar, Nepal. Okay, how about number 2? The place of enlightenment. The actual location is in Uruvela, Senanigama. Alright, and the current location is in Bodh Gaya in Bihar, India. Okay, number 3, place of the first teaching. The actual location is in Isipatana, Mrigadava, and the current location is in Sarnath in Uttar Pradesh, India. Okay, number 4, the place of his nirvana. The actual location is the Sala Grove in Kusinara, The current location is in Kasha in Uttar Pradesh, India. Okay, so those are the 4 religious places for Buddhists. Okay? Alright, so let's move on how you are going to answer your worksheet. Okay, fill in the blanks with the correct answer of each question. Choose your answer below. Okay, where is the current location of Uruvela Senanigama? Okay, so the current location of Uruvela Senanigama is in Bodh Gaya, Bihar, India. Okay, so that is the answer for number 1. Okay, so you are going to base your answer from the topic that we have discussed lately. Okay, now answer number 2 until number 10. Alright, let's move on to the next page. Alright, instruction. Complete the diagram by filling in the correct information. The holy places of Buddhism. Okay, so there are 4, right? So you are going to fill in the correct information here. So let's say, for example, the place of birth. So where is the actual location? It is in Lumbini Park. Okay, so you need to put the current location. And also, the place of enlightenment, place of the first teaching, and the place of His Nirvana. Okay? Alright, so that ends our topic for today. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day and goodbye.